Guys, today I'm back again with another question on Codeforces. So this is also division 2 A level problem, adjacent digit sum. So here in this question you have first is number of test cases, and then you have two numbers. So these two numbers are x and y, and these are represented as like this. So this x is like Sn represents, here it is written Sa represents the sum of the digits of the number a. So here in this question you have given x and y, and you need to tell whether there is a number n and n plus 1 exist in real life or not, and these are the conditions for this x and y and number of test cases. If there is a number that exists, n and n plus 1, then you need to print yes, otherwise you need to print no. So this is the whole question, and if you do some mathematics and try to make a equation from these two parts, so you will get a equation like this. So here this is y and this is x plus 1. So if you see in the question, they have represented this x and this one is y. So if in real life a number exists, then it will happen like this y and x. So the difference between y and x will be 1. If here if you see, the difference between y and x will be 1, that's why I have added x plus 1 here. And then if they are consecutive number, then this point is satisfied. Okay, and r will be 0. Okay, and in case if y is greater than x plus 1, then we need some r which is an integer, and that should be positive integer, because y is a greater than this one, and it need to be subtracted to get that number. So if you rearrange and try to find the value of r, it will look like this, and there will be three cases. So those cases, like uh, one is this consecutive number where like you are adding 1 and getting the value. In that case you have r equal to 0, and in the second case I, r equal to 1, where you have consecutive number but the last number of n is a 9. Actually this and these case are same, because here also the last number is 9. I have made it two separate part, because from here onwards, like if you take an example similar like this, then r will be greater than 1. So that's why I took these three different cases. So if you try to put some numbers from the example and try to do this equation, then I am sure that you will get the mathematics behind deriving this equation from this statement. That equation is derived from this statement. And now I will get to the code. So here, like this t represent the number of test cases, then for each test case I will take x and y which is written there, and I have just written it p and q. So then the same equation what I have shown there, I have written it here for the value of r, and then you need to check whether r is a integer and that satisfy this above statement. So I have just written this in this manner, and r should be like integer, so it should be greater than it can be 0, and it said it should be greater than 0. So what I showed in that three possible cases, so it should satisfy all three cases. So if it is satisfying that, then you need to print yes, otherwise you just need to print no. And this is the whole code and logic of this question. So I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comments. So thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe.